Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to migrate a WordPress site to a new host, and this will be a step-by-step guide using Migrate Guru. Now the first step is to of course install Migrate Guru. So you would need to go to your WordPress dashboard on both sites, the destination site and of course the source site, and you would need to add Migrate Guru to your plugins and of course install and activate the plugin. Now the second step would be to generate a migration key, and you would need to access your destination WordPress site where of course you want to migrate your website to. You need to go to Migrate Guru plugins and of course click on migration key. Then you would need to copy the migration key provided. Now the third step is to of course initiate the migration, which includes returning to your original WordPress site, which is of course the one you want to migrate. You would need to access the Migrate Guru plugin and of course enter your email address. Once you do this, you will be greeted with a screen that would ask for you to agree to the terms and conditions. So you would need to click on that and of course click on Migrate Site. Now the fourth step is to of course enter your migration key, which is of course the key you copied from the destination site, into the provided field, and then click on migrate. So once you've done this, you would need to confirm this. So if once you've confirmed this, you will receive a notification that the migration is successful, or rather is complete. Although you would need to keep in mind that Migrate Guru only works on a creator plan, so you would need to upgrade your plan to install this plugin, and a creator plan does cost about $40 a month. So that said, you can visit their website, the Migrate Guru website, for more information, of course testimonials on the product, and basically that's it. So I just went through the process of how to migrate your site to a host using Migrate Guru. Now this wasn't really as detailed as you would want, but it is of course a really straightforward process. So basically that was it for this video. If this video did give you some insights on how best to go about your migration process using WordPress, then of course feel free to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in another video.